Building cabinets can be scary. When I first started building, I didn't have a lot of these jigs to help me, and I so wish I did, so I'm going to break them down for you so you can build cabinets a lot easier. You don't need fancy joinery for cabinets. The first tool I always reach for when building is a pocket hole jig. I like to drill my pocket holes so they face down or towards the inside of the cabinet. That way, once the cabinet is finished, you never see them. There are a few different types of pocket hole jigs. Some let you bring the jig right to the cabinet, and others, like this one, you bring the board to the jig. Both work, it just depends on your setup and what's easier for you. Pocket holes make cabinet assembly fast, strong, and forgiving, which is exactly what you want to make cabinet building easier. Probably one of the most important parts of building a cabinet is making sure it's square. If your cabinet isn't square, your doors won't sit right and your drawers won't work properly. That's why right angle clamps are a must. These hold everything perfectly at 90 degrees while you assemble, so you're not fighting the cabinet the entire time. This tool alone saves me so much frustration. If you're using Euro cup hinges, which is what almost every standard cabinet uses, a hinge jig is a necessity. I love this one from Craig because it makes the process completely repeatable. You drill the cup hole using the included Forstner bit, then drill the small screw holes, and that's it. Every hinge ends up in the exact same spot. There's no measuring, guesswork, and no crooked doors. This cabinet door mounting jig is a lifesaver for overlay cabinets, which is a lot of what usual kitchen cabinets are. You clamp it to the face frame and use the magnetic spacer to set the reveal that you want, and then hold the door in place and screw it on. It takes what feels like a complicated step and makes it almost impossible to mess up. If you want adjustable shelves, a shelf pin jig makes it simple. This one comes with everything you need, the drill bit, the stop collar, and a pin that lets you index down the cabinet so every hole is perfectly spaced. This is what gives cabinets that professional adjustable look. A hardware jig is perfect for drilling repeatable holes for handles and knobs. Once I figure out my spacing, I like to use a center punch first, and then I drill my holes. This keeps everything aligned so your handles don't look slightly off, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Last but definitely not least is a drawer slide jig. This helps you mount drawer slides perfectly flush, which is what allows drawers to slide in and out smoothly. If your drawer slides aren't aligned, you'll feel it every time you open them, so this tool makes a massive difference. These tools don't just make cabinet building easier, they make it more repeatable, more accurate, and way less frustrating. If you've ever been intimidated by cabinets, this is how you make the process feel manageable. If you want a full cabinet build walkthrough, let me know in the comments.